Alright, these are the ingredients for the Ritz cracker date spread. You got nut topping, chopped dates, a pound of chopped dates, the sweetened condensed milk, cream cheese frosting, and Ritz crackers. Okay, I'm going to put a pound of dates in a pan on medium. And you can see this is what they kind of look like. Just stuck together like little brown pellets. Put 2 packages of full pound of those. You have a cup of sweetened condensed milk, which this is a 14-ounce can. I'm just going to put actually about 3/4 of it. Okay, I've got my cup of sweetened condensed milk and my dates in there. And I'm just going to stir them up, and what you do is you cook them over medium heat until the dates all melt. And once they melt, you'll know it because it won't be in little chunks anymore. They'll be pretty smooth. You'll still have the skins in there, but you won't have the solid pieces of fruit anymore. It's not quite, you can see there's still some chunky pieces of fruit, so we're going to keep going. Stirring it up a little bit more. And it will get pretty thick, and then we'll add the nuts as soon as it gets ready to, when it's all melted. This is about the consistency you need. I'm going to dump the nuts in there. And it will get very, very thick. Now that I've dumped the nuts in there, I've actually turned the oven on to 350, let it preheat. And then we're going to spread this mixture on Ritz crackers. And, but take it off the heat because it will sit there and burn up if you don't. Just open your Ritz crackers up. And I'll show you how I do one of them. Just take you a cracker and take about that much of the date spread and just kind of spread it on there. If it touches your finger, it burns. Just to let you know. But about that thick. And then I'll do the rest of these and I'll show you what they all look like. Okay, me and Ashley are both working like elves over here as fast as we possibly can to spread this. And it's already starting to set up and get a little firm. So this is really, I used to do this by myself, but it usually gets a little hard, not cool, just hard, and firms up really fast. So it's better if you get somebody to help you out.
The oven is on 350.
Yeah.
And I will put these in for 8 minutes.
Okay, it's been 8 minutes. I'm going to take the crackers out. And what the oven does is it kind of dries the dates out and gives them a little bit of a crust on them. So I've got a few more I'm going to put in the oven for another 8 minutes. We got to let these completely cool off and then we'll do the frosting. Okay, I got my cream cheese frosting. These have cooled off now. I always take my frosting and stir it up a little bit to thin it out a little bit. Anyway. Take a little bit of frosting and get you a cracker and just spread it on top. And if you like a lot of frosting, put a lot. If you don't like a whole lot, you just want a little bit, put a little bit. Alright, here they are frosted. And me and Ashley frosted them all. And they will, if you let them sit for a little while, the frosting will actually firm up a little bit and get like a crust on top of it. And then you'll be able to stack them up inside an airtight container. We usually use an upside down cake pan, square cake pan. That works really good. Or anything that seals up.